What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw RM from BTS official Chibi Figurines. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow through my tutorial with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayons. Now I'm gonna start with drawing his hairline from the point on the right here, and I'm gonna draw a curved line across to the left. And then at the side, I'm gonna turn it downwards and all the way to the sideburn. Okay. Now I'm gonna make a sharp turn back up to the side there. And then from the hairline on the side here, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards to the ear and out, and then I'm gonna make a turn back up to the hairline. So for the ear, I'm gonna draw a semicircle for the top of the ear there, and then as you reach the sides, we're gonna turn back to the center, towards the center of the face, and turn slightly up. Now inside of the ear, I'm gonna trace the outer line on the top part here and to the side and stop halfway down. And going back to the original point inside the ear, I'm gonna draw another curved line downwards like that. Now I'm going back to the hairline in the center point of the forehead here and draw a curved line to the right, and then turn it slightly downwards to the front of the face, and then I'm gonna do a sharp turn back to the side of the original point where we began, right there. And then from the hairline again in the center, I'm gonna draw another similar line to the front of the face and stop there. And then another strand of hair at this side, and then on the right, I'm gonna draw a curved line outwards and make a sharp turn up to the side, and another strand on this side and another one here. Now for the hair on the left side, I'm gonna draw from the center point here to the left, right there. And then I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point to the right, and another one from this point to the left, and another one on top to the right, and one to the left, and another one at the back here, and all the way to the side of the ear. Then here as well, I'm gonna add another curved line, and then I'm gonna go back to the right side of the face. From this point over here, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, and then as you reach the cheek, I'm gonna turn to the neck towards the center point there. Then I'm gonna turn it down the neck. Then for the left side, we're gonna take this point below the ears and turn it downwards at the neck as well. For his hair below the ear, I'm gonna take this one here and do a curve line to the left side of his cheek. And then we're gonna add some few strands of hair at this corner here, like that. So I'm gonna draw his eyes. So we're gonna take a point from the left side here and draw a curved line towards the center of the face, like that. And then at this inner corner of the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line diagonally downwards. And then I'm gonna go back to this outer corner here on the left and draw a diagonal line there. And then from that point, I'm gonna make a sharp turn up and to the center. So we're gonna fill that in with black color. Now for the lower part of the eye, I'm gonna draw a curved line here, like that. And then we're gonna add a circle at the lower left part of the eye, there. And then on the top part, we're gonna add a small circle there, and the black portion of the pupil right below that. And on top of the eye, I'm gonna add his eyebrow across with a curved line for the lower part. And then at both sides on top, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line like that. And a curved line across the two of that. And we're gonna mirror the whole eye on the right side here. And then for his mouth, right below the eye, I'm gonna draw across a curved line right there. And for his nose, we're just gonna add a small curved line for the lower part and another line on top. Now for his shirt, I'm gonna draw across on the lower point of the neck, a curved line there. And then on the sides, I'm gonna draw the shoulder out. And then from that point on the left, I'm gonna make a sharp turn back into the center of the poncho or jacket, and then make a turn down to the arms. And on the right side, I'm just gonna curve it there. And for both sides, for the inner line of the jacket, I'm gonna draw a curved line in the center. And then for his arm on the left here, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point and then turn it to the right and down. Then I'm gonna make a turn back to the left and turn it sideways from the elbow. Now at the side of the poncho collar, I'm gonna draw the strands of fabric along the side there, and also on the right side as well. And then for the right arm, I'm gonna draw from this point a curved line out, and then make a semicircular turn to the left and below the other arms, and then make a semicircular turn back to the arm. And then we're gonna do a semicircle shape at the wrist area. And then at the side on the left here, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the side and downwards. And for the inner part of the poncho, I'm gonna draw below the arms here, down and outwards. I'm gonna connect that. And along that line, we're just gonna do that along as well. And on the right side here, I'm gonna draw a curved line down and add that detail as well. Now for the inner shirt, I'm gonna draw below the arms here a curved line across, and then for his short, we're gonna take this point and draw a curve down and across and up on this side, and a curved line in the center. And the same goes to the right side here. And for his legs, I'm gonna draw 2 lines down from each shorts. And then for the shoes, I'm gonna take this point here and draw a semicircle across. And the other side, I'm just gonna add a short curved line, and on both sides I'm gonna draw a curved line to the side, down and across below. On the bottom of the shoes, I'm gonna draw a curved line and another curved line below that, and on both sides I'm gonna add a short line there. So we're gonna do a similar shape for the right side, but on the right side you're gonna see the shoes sideways. So for this, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the front of the top part of the shoes, and then we're gonna draw a curved line to the tip in front of the shoe and down. And for the back, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point to the back and then down to the heels, and we're gonna draw across from the back to the front, curved line, and we're gonna add another curved line slightly above that. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and find my videos helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to let me know of your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below.